Hello from Bugeye guys. I'm going to take you for a drive today in a white gold level Concours Bugeye called Betty. And this is Betty right here. This is a car that was awarded a gold medal just like 501 was, our Concours green Bugeye. This is a white Bugeye from, an Old English white Bugeye from 1960. It's about car 26,000. So roughly 25,500 cars after 501. This one came along in 1960. You should be able to get a sense. It's a really nice car to drive from these couple of shifts here. Sort of using all 45 or so horsepower right there on that little climb. But you know, the main thing about this car that I was really clear about on my driving experience, it felt very clear to me that this is just a fun, stock, basic weekend knock-around Bugeye. It happens to be done to gold level Concours, but this is what it was like when you had a Bugeye back in 1960 and it was brand new. This car, being gold level certified, has all the correct stuff. It is really an accurate recreation of what the car would have been like when new. Even the bias ply tires are correct, and it's a really nice car to drive. Now, it might be easy to think that when you have a gold level Concours car that it should be a trailer queen only, and that is definitely not the case with any of these cars, again, because they're Bugeyes. If they were multi-million-dollar super precious objects, that would be one thing, but they're still Bugeyes, and they were meant to drive, and they're simple cars, and they're easy to repair. So by all means, we hope the new owner of this car goes out and drives it just like I am here. And you can do a lot with this car. You can drive it to shows and really continue to enjoy it. It doesn't need to sit still in your garage. The car is mechanically very well sorted. It had to be in order to attain the gold level award. That is part of the requirement. Everything has to work. It's not just about looking good. And you can see that in the drive. The car drives really nicely. I don't really have a punch list in terms of the mechanics of the car. The only thing we can do is work on some of the little subtle details to make it superbly accurate once again. And if somebody wanted to take it back to the judging process, the next event is in Tampa in August or September of next year, 2023. So that is certainly a possibility. We would go back through the car for the new owner and try and find, for argument's sake, 30 points that we could try and adjust. So the car is even more solidly a gold car and even more accurate for posterity and just as a reference point for future generations, which is a big part of what makes Concours so much fun. We're building these models of what the cars were like the day they were new. There's so much room in Bugeye world for totally stock cars or modified cars. It's nice to have the foundation clearly established with these Concours gold vehicles, and we're happy to have another one available for sale for you here at Bugeye Guys. Thanks for coming for a drive with us today.